Starting around 19 July 2023, Dogecoin in a real sense is exchanging at $0.069 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.07%. In most recent 1 hour in every way that really matters, enormous way. Doge for the most part has an all-out market cap of $9,693,788,306, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $249,618,021, which generally is genuinely huge. This in a real sense makes Dogecoin, Doge, certainly positioning at 9 in the digital money market, which for the most part is very critical. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin especially be worth in 2023? Exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Dogecoin a fundamentally wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they thought. Will Doge cost generally outperform its unequaled high, which fundamentally is very critical? These sort of are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost basically is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $0.082, the normal certainly least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to essentially be $0.079, which by and large is very critical. Besides, Doge can basically arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.091, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Doge value gauge July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Dogecoin sort of is supposed to, in a real sense, arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.067 in an unpretentious manner. The Doge cost could sort of arrive at an, in every practical sense, most extreme cost of $0.075, with the sort of typical cost around $0.073, which especially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value forecast August 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically will be fundamentally anticipated to explicitly reach at a by and large least worth of $0.071 in August 2023. So Dogecoin value expectation August 2023. The cost of Dogecoin is basically anticipated to sort of reach at any rate worth of $0.071 in August 2023 in an unpretentious manner. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.078, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.075 all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin, Doge value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters is generally anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of $0.076, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.081 and a truly least of $0.073, which sort of is very huge. Dogecoin value estimate October 2023. The very normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge, could fundamentally go to $0.079 toward the finish of October 2023. Sort of additional appearance. How on the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin most certainly be exceptionally worth in 2023 in an especially enormous manner? Doge could in a real sense exchange around a greatest worth of $0.084, with the by and large least expected cost of $0.076, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin, Doge value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is in a real sense anticipated to truly arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.081, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0.088 and an especially least of $0.077 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin value forecast December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin for the most part is basically anticipated to in a real sense reach at a kind of least worth of $0.079 in December 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. The Doge cost could by and large arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.091, with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $0.082 all through 2023, in a for the most part huge manner. Dogecoin by and large passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost for the most part has shown a great increment of 1.46% in the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours. Exceptionally further appearance how the Doge cost could fundamentally arrive at a really most extreme worth of $0.078, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.075 all through 2023. Or so they generally thought. From certainly most recent 7 days the Doge basically was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.85%, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin fundamentally has shown exceptionally sort areas of strength for of potential of late, and this could be decent, an open door to in every practical sense, dive right in and really put resources into an essentially huge way. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge by and large diminished by 27.199%, killing an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.026 from its sort of current worth, exhibiting that Dogecoin especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost especially has shown an especially decent increment of 1.46% in the truly most recent 24 hours, genuinely further appearance how the Doge cost could truly arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.078, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.075 all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a by and large great sort of purchase a potential open door for speedy venture, which for the most part shows that Dogecoin essentially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost explicitly has shown a kind of good increment of 1.46% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, sort of additional appearance, how the Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at an extremely most extreme worth of $0.078, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.075 all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 19.97%, and the cost in every way that really matters, circled from a truly least fundamentally normal cost of $0.085 to by and large most extreme genuinely normal cost of $0.088 in the especially beyond 90 days, which truly is very critical. Dogecoin is somewhere near 3.30%, with the fundamentally greatest pretty typical cost of the coin, in a real sense was around $0.076, and the base kind of typical cost of explicitly was around 0.